Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Rashmi Kumari. Today, I am going to present my paper on is tacrolimus 0.03% eye ointment and answer to VKC. There is no financial interest in this study. VKC is characterized by infiltration of conjunctiva by a variety of inflammatory cell types, especially eosinophils. VKC has previously been thought of an IgE-mediated disease, and several other immunological pathways have also been implicated. Patients with VKC have been shown to have an increased number of activated CD4 T lymphocytes, predominantly T helper 2 cell, indicating that there is a hypersensitivity reaction to an unknown pathogen. Increased level of inflammatory cytokines interleukin 3, 4 and 5 have also been demonstrated. Conjunctival papilla formation is related to fibroblast activation and production, whereas limbal conjunctival nodules are related to infiltration of inflammatory cells. The aim is to compare the efficacy of olopatadine 0.1% eye drop with tacrolimus 0.03% eye ointment in VKC and to compare the tolerability and acceptability of above medications in VKC. Source of data is patient having VKC attending the outpatient department of ophthalmology NMCH Sasaram. Duration of study is between December 2019 to December 2021. This is a prospective observational double-blind study. Convenience sampling method by sampling method. All patients from either gender diagnosed as VKC with itching of variable severity and seasonal exacerbation and willingness to give informed consent and availability for regular blood included now in criteria. Exclusion criteria. Patient with acute systemic allergic manifestations like severe bronchial asthma, coexisting allergic rhinitis, on systemic therapy, any history of ocular herpes subjects who had used topical or systemic steroids, NSAIDs in the past 2 weeks, patient who lost follow-up, contact lens wearers, concurrent ocular disease, such a trial will be excluded, and planning to undergo ocular surgery during study period, all were excluded. HB percent, WBC, TCDC, absolute eosinophil count, a conjunctival swab cytology, all were lab investigation. Main preponderance was found in our study. Itching, redness, chemosis score were significantly reduced after follow-up, and the difference is significant between two groups. When we compare the mean lid edema score, watering and foreign body sensation score between group A and B, the difference is insignificant. Both drugs were equally safe and tolerable. In our study, mean age in group A and B were 12.75 and 12.63 respectively. In gender, there is no statistically significant difference was found in both groups. Medical treatment is preferred in acute phase of VKC, but surgical treatment were used only in severe cases. Disease remission with puberty suggests hormonal consideration. Itching score is equal in both the group. In our study, redness score decreased from baseline visit 1 to visit 2 and visit 3 and visit 4. At visit 3 and 4, there is a statistically significant difference in redness score. In our research, we found that in group A, the mean score decreases from 0.86 at baseline to 0.00 at the fourth visit, while in group B, the mean score decreases from 0.71 to 0.03 at the fourth visit. From this study, we can conclude that both olopatadine 0.1% eye drop once daily and tacrolimus 0.03% eye ointment daily are effective in reducing symptoms and signs of allergic conjunctivitis during second and fourth week. An olopatadine 0.1% drop once daily is found to be more effective than tacrolimus 0.03% daily in reducing redness and itching score. However, the difference is not significant for lid edema and watering score. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Rashmi. So what is your take-home message? Will you start olopatadine or tacrolimus?
Olopatadine
is your drug of choice.
If itching is more, patient complaining of more itching and redness, then we'll give olopatadine most preferably.
Where are you working?
Sir, just past postgraduate, not now.
Just past postgraduate.
What is the place of your work?
Sasaram, Narayan Medical College.
Sasaram College. Was there any associated disease with these VKC patients? Associated disease, intestinal elephantiasis or any other nutritional diseases or anything like that? I will look for.
Sir is asking any systemic disease you look for in these patients?
Associated with VKC among these children?
Any allergic, other allergic disease like asthma?
You have not looked?
No.
Have you done this work by your own?
Yes,
or
sir.
you have collected the data from somebody else?
No, sir. I am only collected.
You have seen these patients?
In our college,
You have seen these patients of your study group?
yes,
Or you
sir.
have collected the data from someone?
No, sir, study group. For camp and some OPD patients, we
Are you
collect.
surprised?
See, follow-up is very difficult in such cases
Yes,
because
sir.
patients have to come regularly and they are not willing to come. Second thing is both olopatadine and tacrolimus. In case of severe allergy there, both are not going to work.
Yes, sir.
You have to add soft steroids like
Yes, sir.
loteprednol or promethanol,
Promethanol.
and then only the symptoms are going to relieve. So these are the things.